Good morning, dear students. Last day we have studied exercise 78. I hope all of you have completed your notebook. Completed now? I hope all of you have completed. I have given the homework to complete your copy and revise exercise 78. Have you done the revision? We will discuss what we have studied in the last exercise. Then we will move to exercise 79. In last exercise, we learned how to find the perimeter of the rectangle, and I taught you the formula 2 into L plus B. Length plus breadth. L and B represent the length and breadth respectively. This way we can find the perimeter of rectangle. And 4 into A, where A represents the side of the square. This is the formula to find the perimeter of the square. Then we learn how to find the area of the rectangle and the area of the square. Formula for the area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. And what unit we are using for this finding the area? Always square meter or square centimeter, whatever is given in the question. And for finding the area of square, what is the formula? Side into side. Side into side. And unit is same here. We have learned in the last exercise all these things. Today we will start with exercise 79, and here we will learn about the cube and cuboid. Basically about the cube. So already we have studied class 3rd, 2nd and 1. Already you are familiar with this figure, no? Cube and cuboid. These are 3D figures. And here we need to find not only the area, we don't need to find the area or perimeter, we need to find the volume. What we need to find? Volume. What is difference between volume and area of any figure? In finding the area, suppose if I have to find the area of this chalk, although it is not a rectangle, but if suppose this is rectangle and we need to, better to take any rectangular thing. I will show you one object. This is rectangular cardboard, no? If you need to find the area of this rectangular cardboard, which formula we will use? Length into breadth. But suppose if this is the figure, now height is there, no? This is length, breadth and height. So what we need to find? When height comes, the term volume will come, and the formula for finding the volume of cube is L into B into H, where the length, breadth and height is represented by this figure L, B and H. And further, volume of cuboid. What is volume of cuboid? Same formula, length into breadth into height. But what will be the unit? Earlier we were using length into breadth, then square centimeter or square meter was coming. Now what will come? Cubic meter. Cubic meter or cubic centimeter. We can write in another way also, meter cube or centimeter cube. Meter to the power 3 or centimeter to the power 3. So meter cube or centimeter cube also we can say. In this chapter, we will learn about this. And why I told both the formulas are same for cube and cuboid. But in case of cube, all the sides are equal. So what we use in place of L, B and H? A into A equal to A cube. 3 times we are writing A, so we are writing A cube. And this A represents the side of cube, where all the sides are equal. Just you can keep in your mind square and rectangle. In the square, all the sides are equal. So what we write in the formula? Side into side or A square. What we are writing? Side into side for square. And in the cube also, all the sides are equal. So what we will add? Height is also there, and height is equal to this thing. What can we write here? Into side. And now think about rectangle and remember the word cuboid. Cuboid and rectangle you can compare. In rectangle, length and breadth are different. Different, no? Here also everything is different. the formula side equal to A. Clear? Square you have to, when you remember the cube, you have to just correlate with square, and when you see the cuboid, correlate with the rectangle. Clear? Formula is same, length into breadth into height, but all the three are same, so we are writing side into side. Okay, and what will be the unit used? Cubic meter or cubic centimeter. Means cubic units. I hope these formulas are clear to everyone. Clear now? Shall we move to the exercise part? Get ready with your pen, pencil and rough notebook. Always I am telling that maths, for studying maths, rough notebook is very important. Otherwise, you will do the calculation in the copy and you will make your fair copy that. So get ready with that. We will start with the very first question of the exercise 79. I am not going to write the question, but you have to write the question from the book, because one line only, no? How many cubic centimeters are there in 1 cubic meter? How many cubic centimeters are there in 1 cubic meter? So for doing that, what we need to know, how to write this since 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, simple you are remembering very well now. Yes, this is since and this is therefore. Therefore, 1 cubic meter. 1 cubic meter. We can write in another way also. Now I have taught you the second way of writing. How we are writing? Don't write the second one. I will write it for making you understand I am writing. 1 cubic meter. We can write like this, no? So what we are doing? We are writing it as form. What does it mean? It means 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. Don't write these steps. This is only for making you understand. 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. 3 times we are writing. So what it became? 1 cubic meter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So what is asked here? 100. Now 100 centimeter cube equal to what will be the answer? 100 into 100 into 100. So what we will get? We are going to get 1. And how to multiply these numbers I taught you, know. Just multiply the number by number. 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. Now what we will do? We will count the number of zeros and we will write it. 2 to 4 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer now? What will be the unit? Again centimeter cube or cubic centimeter you can write. And this is your answer. How to write this one? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 10 lakh cubic centimeter is your answer for the first question. So let's do. This is only for making you understand. Now let's do the calculation here. 1 cubic meter equal to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. And same way we will do here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cubic centimeter. You can write centimeter to the power 3. There is no wrong, nothing wrong in that. Both are same. Now second question. Similarly, we have to do the second question. How many cubic decimeters are there in 1 cubic meter? For this, we need to know that 1 meter equal to 1 decimeter equal to 10 meter. 1 decimeter equal to 1 meter equal to 10 decimeters. So, like this we can do. Like the first question. Do I need to do that one? Okay, I will do. 1 meter equal to, since 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. Since 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. So, what we have to find? We have to find that 1 cubic meter equal to what? This we have to find. 1 cubic meter equal to what? So, cubic meter is there. Cube means multiply 3 times. So, we have to multiply 10 decimeter into 10 decimeter into 10 decimeter. What we are going to get? 1 are there in 1 cubic centimeter. So what we will write? Since 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. These all the formulas we have studied in this class only, and I have made you understand how we are getting all this. I have explained you in the class now, so I am writing directly now the formulas. What we have to find? 1 cubic centimeter. Therefore, 1 cubic centimeter equal to 10 into 10 into 10. 1000 into 10 into 10 cubic millimeter. So what we will get? 1000 cubic millimeter. This is the answer for question number 3. I hope all of you are understanding also and doing. Do you know? Do it. I'm getting aside. Pause the video and do, or take the screenshot and you can do later. But better to do now itself. Pause the video and do it. Okay? Now we will do question number 4. In question number 4, we have to convert. Write the heading. I am going to clean the board. Please pause the video and do. Again you can start the video and watch for the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4A. 4A, what is given? Convert 0.25 cubic meter into cubic centimeter. So we will write since 1 cubic meter equal to 1. Now only we found. What we found? 1 cubic meter equal to what we found? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubic centimeter. Therefore, I am not writing the question by distance. You have to write from the book, because I am never writing the question on the board. You know this. So we have to move now 0.25 cubic meter. For this, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 0.25. Let's see how to do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 0.25. So what we will do here? See, after decimal, how many digits are there? 2 digits, no? How many digits are there? 2 digits. So what we will do? We will shift 2 places to the left side. 25 ones are 25. Now how many zeros will remain here? You see, I am giving you 2 minutes time. You see. How many zeros should remain there? Because 6 zeros are there, and after decimal 2 digits are there. So 25 ones are 25, and further from 6, if we subtract 2, what we are going to get? I hope most of you have written the answer. Written, no? 2 zeros will be removed and we will get 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. In cubic centimeter. This is the answer for the question number 4A. All of you have done? I hope all of you have done this. For today, this much is enough. B and C is your homework. Okay. Write the homework in the notebook. Do for B, C in the rough copy, not in the fair copy. In rough copy, and tomorrow we will have the discussion. If this is correct, you can do it in the fair copy. Okay. Do up to here. Tomorrow we will meet with the next question. Thank you, class.